FUEsion X automated hair restoration machine, revolutionizing hair restoration globally. The field of hair restoration has seen a significant transformation in recent years, primarily due to the development of automated hair restoration machines. A leading example of this technological advancement is the FUEsion X robotic hair transplant machine. This device is making a substantial impact in the realm of hair transplantation by introducing remarkable features and benefits for those seeking to regain their hair and confidence. At the heart of the FUEsion X's capabilities is its unparalleled precision. Equipped with a robotic arm, advanced AI algorithms, a 50x zoom AI camera, and 130-inch see-through augmented reality glasses, the machine allows surgeons to select and extract individual hair follicles with unmatched accuracy. This precision ensures that the transplanted hair looks natural and minimizes follicle damage, leading to higher success rates. Efficiency and speed are also key features of this machine. With two-sided pneumatic suction-assisted extractors, it enables two surgeons to work concurrently, speeding up the transplant process and reducing overall surgery time. This efficiency allows patients to resume their daily activities sooner and decreases the likelihood of human error, thus improving transplant outcomes. The FUEsion X also boasts advanced features for personalized results. AI integration. The HARRTS Hair Studio software uses AI algorithms to analyze the recipient area's topography and drafts treatment plans based on the required grafts. Smart extraction. The punch tool's sensors detect the ideal depth and angle for follicle extraction, enhancing graft survival. Real-time feedback. High-definition cameras provide surgeons with real-time monitoring of the procedure for precise graft placement. Customizable density. The machine allows adjustments in hair density to match patient preferences. Additionally, the machine's design prioritizes operator comfort and graft optimization. The ergonomic build. Augmented reality glasses and large screen display reduce surgeon fatigue, especially during longer procedures. The machine also minimizes graft wastage by efficiently extracting and storing follicles for transplantation. Patients undergoing a transplant with the FUEsion X benefit from minimal discomfort and a quicker recovery period. The minimally invasive nature of the procedure ensures less post-operative pain and a more comfortable experience overall. In conclusion, the FUEsion X robotic hair transplant machine is a groundbreaking advancement in hair restoration. Its precision, efficiency, and enhanced patient comfort, coupled with features like AI integration and real-time feedback, offer a personalized approach to hair transplantation. This technology provides patients with a renewed sense of hope and confidence in their appearance.